Did you know a military officer risked everything to save hundreds of soldiers from defective armor? Major Robert Mitchell was reviewing procurement contracts at Fort Braxton when he noticed something strange. The body armor being shipped to combat zones looked identical to premium gear, but the materials felt wrong. He ran secret tests and discovered the shocking truth. The contractor was using cheap, substandard materials while charging top dollar for life-saving equipment. Soldiers were heading into battle with armor that couldn't stop basic ammunition. Mitchell faced an impossible choice: stay quiet and protect his career, or expose corruption that reached high-ranking officials. He chose to document everything, knowing it would destroy his future. The backlash was swift: demotion, transfer to an isolated base, and constant harassment from implicated officers. But his evidence prevented hundreds of deaths and exposed a $50 million fraud network. 2 years later, Mitchell received the Distinguished Service Medal, promotion to colonel, and was chosen to lead the new Military Ethics Division. Integrity always finds its reward.